Want to protect your eyes and even repair your vision naturally? Discover 8 amazing herbs that can make a difference. Yes, you heard that right. Your next cup of tea or sprinkle of spice could be your ticket to healthier eyes and sharper vision. Let's dive in and see how these powerful herbs can transform your eye health. We all know how crucial it is to maintain good vision. Our eyes are our windows to the world, letting us enjoy life's beautiful moments, read our favorite books, and recognize the faces of our loved ones. Imagine missing out on those everyday joys because of poor vision. Good vision is essential for daily activities, whether it's driving, working on a computer, or simply appreciating a beautiful sunset. Poor eye health can significantly impact our overall well-being, leading to headaches, fatigue, and even grumpiness. Nobody likes a squinting sourpuss. This is why it's so important to take proactive measures to protect our eyes and maintain our vision. Today, we'll explore 8 herbs that can help protect your eyes and even improve your vision. These natural remedies have been used for centuries in various cultures and are now backed by modern science for their eye health benefits. We'll delve into each herb's unique properties and how they can benefit your eyes. Make sure to stick around until the end for a bonus tip on how to maintain overall eye health. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Herb number 1, bilberry. First up is bilberry. These tiny, dark berries are cousins of blueberries and are packed with powerful antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds are like tiny bouncers for your eyes, keeping out the riffraff of free radicals and oxidative stress. Bilberries also contain vitamin C, vitamin E, and manganese, all of which are crucial for maintaining healthy eyes. The high levels of anthocyanins in bilberries help protect the delicate tissues in your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Bilberry is a superstar when it comes to improving night vision and reducing eye strain. During World War II, British pilots consumed bilberry jam to enhance their night vision. Modern studies have shown that bilberry can indeed improve visual function, especially in low-light conditions, and protect against eye fatigue. The antioxidants in bilberries help strengthen the blood vessels in the eyes, improving circulation and reducing the risk of eye diseases like glaucoma and cataracts. So, next time you're navigating a dark room or staring at your screen for hours, think bilberry. So, how can you incorporate bilberry into your diet? You can enjoy them fresh, mix them into your morning smoothie, or even make a soothing bilberry tea. If fresh bilberries are hard to find, bilberry supplements are a great alternative to ensure you get your daily dose of this eye-friendly herb. You can also find bilberry extract in many health food stores. Whether in whole form or as a supplement, incorporating bilberries into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to support your vision. Herb number 2, eyebright. Next on our list is eyebright, a herb that's been used for centuries to promote eye health. This herb is packed with flavonoids, tannins, and other beneficial compounds that work together to support and protect your eyes. The flavonoids in eyebright act as powerful antioxidants, protecting your eyes from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Meanwhile, the tannins have astringent properties that help reduce inflammation and irritation. So, with eyebright, you're getting a 1-2 punch of soothing and protective goodness. Eyebright lives up to its name by brightening up your eye health. It's especially effective in alleviating eye irritation, redness, and inflammation. Whether you're dealing with conjunctivitis, dry eyes, or general eye strain, eyebright can offer relief. The anti-inflammatory and astringent properties help soothe tired eyes and reduce discomfort. Plus, its antimicrobial properties help keep your eyes free from infections. So, if your eyes are feeling the strain of modern life, eyebright might just be the herb for you. How can you make the most of eyebright? You can brew it into a calming tea or use it as an eye wash for direct relief. Eyebright tea can be made by steeping dried eyebright in hot water for about 10 minutes. For an eye wash, simply let the tea cool, then use a clean cloth or cotton pad to gently apply it to your eyes. Eyebright is also available in tincture or supplement form if you prefer a more convenient option. However you choose to use it, eyebright can be a valuable addition to your eye care routine. Herb number 3, ginkgo biloba. Moving on to ginkgo biloba, a powerhouse herb known for its brain-boosting benefits. But did you know it's also great for your eyes? Ginkgo biloba is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which are crucial for maintaining healthy vision. The antioxidants in ginkgo biloba help protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. The flavonoids, on the other hand, support overall eye health by enhancing blood flow to the eyes and protecting the delicate structures within. Ginkgo biloba works wonders for your eyes by improving blood flow and protecting against age-related vision issues. Enhanced blood circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your eyes, helping to keep them healthy and functioning optimally. Studies have shown that ginkgo biloba can be beneficial for those with glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration, AMD, reducing the progression of these conditions. So, if you're looking to keep your eyes sharp as you age, ginkgo biloba is a must-have in your herbal arsenal. Incorporating ginkgo biloba into your routine is easy. You can take it as a supplement, available in capsule or tablet form, or enjoy it as a tea. To make ginkgo biloba tea, simply steep the dried leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. It's a soothing way to enjoy its benefits while warming up on a chilly day. As always, be sure to follow the recommended dosage on supplements and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. With ginkgo biloba, you can support your vision and overall eye health naturally. Herb number 4, fennel. Let's talk fennel. This herb is not only great for adding flavor to your dishes, but it's also packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and essential nutrients that support eye health. Fennel contains vitamin C, vitamin A, and a host of antioxidants that help protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. It also has important minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which contribute to overall eye health. Fennel is fantastic for reducing eye pressure and preventing glaucoma, a condition that can lead to vision loss. The antioxidants in fennel help combat oxidative stress, while its anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling and pressure in the eyes. Additionally, fennel seeds contain compounds that can help detoxify the lens of the eye and prevent macular degeneration. So, incorporating fennel into your diet can be a delicious way to protect your vision. Wondering how to add fennel to your meals? It's incredibly versatile. You can slice the bulb thinly and add it to salads for a crunchy, slightly sweet flavor. Fennel seeds make a great addition to teas, providing a soothing and aromatic drink that supports eye health. You can also use fennel as a spice in various dishes. It pairs wonderfully with fish, chicken, and roasted vegetables. With fennel, protecting your eyes can be both tasty and easy. Herb number 5, saffron. Next up is saffron, often referred to as the golden spice. This luxurious herb is rich in antioxidants, particularly crocin, which is known for its powerful health benefits. Saffron also contains vitamins like vitamin A and essential minerals such as potassium and magnesium. These nutrients work together to support and protect your vision. Saffron has been shown to protect the retina and improve visual acuity, making it a valuable herb for maintaining eye health. The antioxidant crocin helps safeguard the cells in the retina from damage caused by oxidative stress. Studies have indicated that saffron can slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and improve vision in people with this condition. So, a little bit of saffron can go a long way in preserving your eyesight. Adding saffron to your diet can be simple and enjoyable. You can use it in cooking to add a unique flavor and vibrant color to dishes like rice, paella, and stews. A small pinch goes a long way. Saffron is also available as a supplement for those who prefer a more concentrated dose. Whether you're cooking up a storm or taking it as a supplement, saffron is a potent ally in your quest for better eye health. Herb number 6, turmeric. Let's spice things up with turmeric, the golden powerhouse. The star of this herb is curcumin, a potent compound renowned for its incredible health benefits. Turmeric is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a superfood for overall wellness, especially for your eyes. Besides curcumin, turmeric also contains vitamins C and E and minerals like manganese and iron, all contributing to its health-boosting profile. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties are a game-changer for eye health. Inflammation is a common factor in many eye diseases, including glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. By reducing inflammation, turmeric can help protect against these conditions. Moreover, its antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which is a major culprit in the degeneration of eye cells. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can therefore play a key role in maintaining clear and healthy vision. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is easier than you think. You can add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your morning smoothie or juice for a nutritional boost. Turmeric tea, also known as golden milk, is another delicious way to enjoy its benefits. Simply mix turmeric with warm milk and a bit of honey. It's also a fantastic addition to curries, soups, and stews, adding a vibrant color and rich flavor to your dishes. With turmeric, a pinch of prevention really is worth a pound of cure. Herb number 7. Green tea. Next, we have green tea, a refreshing drink loaded with health benefits. Green tea is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that's especially potent in fighting free radicals. It also contains other antioxidants like vitamins C and E, which protect your cells from damage. The combination of these powerful compounds makes green tea a fantastic choice for supporting eye health. Green tea is a champion when it comes to eye protection. The catechins in green tea can reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, two leading causes of vision loss. These antioxidants help protect the lens and retina from oxidative damage and inflammation. Regular consumption of green tea has been shown to support overall eye health, keeping your vision sharp and clear. Green tea is versatile and easy to incorporate into your routine. Enjoy a hot cup of green tea in the morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up. If you prefer something cooler, iced green tea is a refreshing alternative, perfect for warmer days. For optimal benefits, try to consume 2 to 3 cups a day. Whether you drink it hot or cold, green tea is a delicious way to nourish your eyes and support your health. Herb number 8. Golden seal. Now, let's talk about golden seal, a lesser-known herb with a powerful punch. Golden seal is packed with alkaloids like berberine and hydrostein, which have been shown to have impressive antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, this herb is rich in antioxidants that help protect cells from damage and support overall health. Golden seal is a fantastic herb for tackling eye infections and reducing inflammation. Its antimicrobial properties make it effective against bacterial and viral infections, which can cause conjunctivitis and other eye issues. Moreover, golden seal's anti-inflammatory effects can help soothe irritated eyes and reduce redness and swelling. Whether you're dealing with an eye infection or just want to keep inflammation at bay, golden seal is a great ally. Incorporating golden seal into your routine is straightforward. You can use golden seal as an ingredient in eye drops. Simply dilute a few drops of golden seal tincture in sterile water and use it as a natural eye wash. Drinking golden seal tea is another effective way to benefit from its properties. Just steep golden seal root in hot water for a soothing herbal tea. As with any herb, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. Bonus tip. As a bonus tip, maintaining overall eye health also involves practicing good eye hygiene and scheduling regular eye checkups. Wash your hands before touching your eyes, avoid excessive screen time, and wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from UV rays. Regular visits to an eye care professional can catch any issues early and keep your vision sharp. Your eyes deserve the best care, so take these steps to ensure they stay healthy for years to come.